Hark and peek, given as choice B and D, mean listening and looking quickly, typically in a furtive manner, respectively, both of which are irrelevant and fail to make sense regarding the 17,500 miles per hour movement. So choice B and choice D are incorrect to fill the blank. They don't get enough sleep. It's a farce, but the blank is to be filled with respect to the movement around the world, which is an important issue regarding the functions of astronauts. And so first, as choice C means showing unnecessary or excessive concern about something is unfit as correct answer for the blank. So choice C is also eliminated along with choice B and choice D. Jog as choice A means running at a steady gentle pace, especially on a regular basis as a form of physical exercise, and astronauts cannot run or walk in the space roughly at 17,500 miles per hour because theoretically it is possible for humans to reach maximum foot speeds of 40 mile per hour or slightly over this value, and only a spaceship can be able to generate this given speed. So choice A is also unfit regarding the passage and its gesture to make sense to be correct for the blank. Jeep as choice E means moving at high speed, which is true for any kind of spaceship or satellite to move around the Earth, and so only choice E can make sense in comparison with other choices to fit the blank as correct answer. So the correct answer is choice E.